How to get retro filter on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get retro filter on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on post, tap on effect. This filter is trading right now. So this is the filter. If you didn't find the filter, it's simple. Go back, go to discover, tap on research, retro filter. Tap on see more, and those are the filters of the retro. Now if you want to record, tap on the camera and you can start record with effect. And this is it. This is how you find the retro effect. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.